Hello everyone, this is Jim from MeasureSquare. Today we're going to give you a preview of our new LiDAR scanning app that will enable you to scan and measure a room with the LiDAR camera on your iPhone or iPad. You'll need an iPhone that supports LiDAR, which are the iPhone 12 Pro and on models, so the Pro, 13, 14, and the 12 model. This will also work with some of the iPad models that have LiDAR on it, so you'll just need to check your device. This is a great way to be able to scan a room with your phone. You don't need another measuring device. It's just built right into your phone. Makes it a lot easier, much less of a learning curve if you're trying to use a Bluetooth device or even tape measure. So essentially anyone could do this. So it's pretty great. And the accuracy has really come a long way. So we're going to start here on the diagram screen of MeasureSquare Mobile. Hit create. Go into the takeoff screen. Hit the plus at the bottom. And I'm going to tap on Radar Measure. This will launch our Radar app. Once we are in the LiDAR app, we will tap on Start Scanning. All right, we always start by scanning the floor here, and then we'll move up to point the camera at the top edge of the wall as it will scan the wall height as well, which is great. So I'm just going to move at a pretty slow pace so it captures everything. You don't want to move too fast. You'll see it starts to capture the doors, continue with the wall height, the windows as well. You'll see it start to capture some objects, but we'll actually not include those as a couch. It does not need to be part of this scan. But we will be adding the ability to capture islands and cabinets as well. So that'll be helpful, so you don't have to do it as a separate measure. Now you'll see as it tries to capture this window, I'm going to move around a bit, give it different angles to see if it will combine it and go all the way, which it just did. So you can kind of go back and forth sometimes if you feel it didn't scan it perfectly. So now I'm going to just keep on moving here, then turn this corner so it can capture these other doors, and you'll see it will auto-complete for me. So it's capturing a lot in a small amount of time. Just as a reminder, move slow. You can go back and forth sometimes if it misses anything or you think it did. Tap on living room here to give it a name. Now from here, I can kind of review my measure, zoom in and out. Looks like it did a pretty good job of capturing everything. If I feel like I want to do this again, I can hit rescan. If I need to scan more rooms, I can just hit continue. Takes me right back to the measurement mode, and I can continue on to the rest. Or in this case, I'll hit export. This will take it right back into MeasureSquare Mobile. So I'll hit export, and we'll see we have my very accurate scan of this living space automatically put into MeasureSquare. I can tap on this room and then continue to add my products. If I need to change where any of the doors are, I can maybe go ahead and make those edits and so on. So I can just continue my normal estimation in order to build that quote for the customer. So this is a great tool for your estimators and sales crew to use out in the field to speed up their measurement and also lower that learning curve for anyone who might not be used to creating a floor plan for the different purposes that are needed, such as estimating, real estate, DIY projects, remodels. Thank you for watching and have a good day.